lagi. Okay, kita try. Hey bros, has Rizal YouTube channel. A few days ago aku ada buat unboxing of the new AKASO V50 Pro, and actually this video aku akan tunjukkan all the footages yang aku ambil in few modes, which aku rasa yang you guys might wants to know, because I got a few comments from the previous video. So basically they wanted to see the footage of the camera. So I recorded the video in few modes, which including 4K, night, masa malam, masa siang, and then I also managed to get an underwater footage of my kids mandi kolam, and then I think that might get you guys excited untuk tengok quality of the AKASO V50 Pro. Those yang dah subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. Those yang belum, aku harap korang dapat subscribe to my channel. So just click that red button and then picit butang loceng so that you guys can get latest update on my channel. K 30 fps, EIS off. Perbezaan.
1080p, 60 frames per second, EIS off, night mode. Frame per second, EIS on, night mode.
So lepas dah ambil footage yang tadi yang korang tengok tu, aku rasa the night recording, night footages is not that good, but okay je lah. But the daytime punya footage, I think it's quite okay, and the EIS works as expected. I think those yang guna GoPro is better quality compared to this 300 plus punya camera. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Till then, I see you guys in the next video. Those yang have questions about the camera, you guys can comment down the video. So aku akan reply the comment satu persatu, so that you guys have more clarity, you guys have more choices to select your first action cam. But pada aku, this action cam yang aku beli ni suited my requirements lah, with the price, with the quality of the things. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Assalamualaikum. Ciao.